A particle starts with an initial velocity 2.5 meter per second along the positive x direction, and it accelerates uniformly at this rate 0.50 meter per second square. You have to find the distance traveled by it in first 2 seconds. Step by step we will do this question. First of all, note down the conditions in a practical way. Okay, so initial point, let us suppose this is our initial point O. Okay, and it's starting with 2.5 meter per second. Acceleration is 0.50 meter per second square, and it takes 2 seconds to reach position A. So the question says find the distance traveled. Now you can see when you draw the figure for the corresponding data with the corresponding data, the question seems to be easier one. Okay, and it's easy to analyze the problem. So this is the given data. Now we will easily do find the distance traveled by the body using the second equation of motion. Okay, since we are given u, a and t, so u, a and t is given, so it's easy to analyze that second equation of motion will be applicable here. Now you put the value of u, t, a and t square. This is the given data. You will get the result, that is 6 I cap meters. This I have written in vector form. Now read the second part. How much time does it take to reach the velocity of 7.5 meter per second? Now it is again traveling with the same speed. We will again draw the conditions. Now initial speed is again 2.5 meter per second in this direction. It starts from 0. At 0 seconds it start. Now how much time the final velocity will be 7.5 meter per second. This we have to calculate in this condition. Now let us see this data. Here you can see that v is equals to u plus at, because v is what given, u, a, these all three things are given. Time we need to calculate. So here time will be, here I'll write t2, it will be 10 seconds. So in 10 seconds, when the body or the particle starts with this velocity, in 10 seconds with this acceleration, it reaches to this velocity. Okay, now what's the other part? The other part is how much distance will it cover in reaching the velocity of 7.5. Now how much distance it will travel? Okay, it will travel some distance. Now that we have to find. Again we will map the conditions for easy calculations. What is given? Again this is given. Final velocity is this. Time I already calculated. S, displacement s2 I have written. This I have to calculate with the acceleration of, acceleration is same 0.50 meter per second square. So I'll use this equation, third equation of motion, v square minus u square equals to 2as. Displacement is 50 meters. I can also use the second equation of motion because I have calculated here the time from here to this position. Okay, so we can do this by second equation of motion also. Thank you.